Like right now. I didn't mean to bother you.
You don't bother me.
It is such a weird party.
Is it?
Yeah, I was singing. Everyone's so happy. People are... So, what do you think? You think you're gonna pull it off?
What, the whole thing?
Yeah.
God willing.
You were both very loved. You deserve much more than this. You're good. I'll do my best to make sure that you don't. You believe in God?
It beats the alternative.
Permission to come aboard, Captain.
You're already aboard.
I'm not an astronaut.
I don't need an astronaut. I need an expert in astrophage who's mission ready.
I'm not ready. You'll find a solution.
You are my solution.